Premium Service Brands is proud to announce their 7th acquisition and the newest member of the PSB family, Rubbishworks. Their professional rubbish and junk removal services target the same end user as the other 6 Premium Service brands: 360 Painting, Made Right, Handyman Pro, ProLift Garage Doors, KitchenWise, and Renew Crew. Rubbishworks is an innovative and full-service junk removal company with a presence in the Pacific Northwest. They make junk and trash removal easy for the homeowner. They offer same-day service, upfront pricing, and eco-friendly disposal. Homeowners can rest assured they're working with a reputable and professional company thanks to easy scheduling, uniformed crews, and all the necessary licensing and insurance. Welcome to PSB Rubbishworks.